Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to the Big Payback channel analytics. He has uploaded 2041 videos. He now has 97.5k subscribers with a total view of 90,517,187 views. He's from US, and his channel type is games. He created his channel since August 13, 2014. The grade he got is B. He ranked at 44,893rd in US and 23,794th in games. Next, the daily subs for the Big Payback is around 47 with a daily view of 45,813. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 46,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $184. Then, monthly income will be $5,520. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $3,036 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $36,432. That is how much the Big Payback earns from YouTube.